Hey there, Barbara Guyberson here, eXp Realty. I am just closing up an open house and it was fantastic. I had, I think, almost 20 people come through parties and I was swamped. And I started to go lock up, turn off the lights. I had seen one of the people who had come, a man, he had been walking outside in the looking at the pool. But then I never saw him leave, and he never came to say goodbye or anything like that. And it just really kind of creeped me out. And so I thought, why don't I share some open house etiquette tips for buyers because they don't go do open houses all the time. So some of them I've noticed they don't always feel really comfortable interacting with an agent. Some do and some don't. So I'm still looking for that guy. So anyway, I came up with these ideas. One is when you first go into open house, please greet the agent who is hosting. If they're busy, understand that they're talking with somebody at the moment, but that they can get with you soon. But go sign in because that shows respect both for the agent who's hosting the open house and for the seller who has allowed you to come into their home. Okay. Put your name, put your phone number, put your email address, and if you are working with a good agent who you trust, who will represent you well, then put that agent's name down also so that the hosting agent knows who to contact in case they want to follow up. Let the hosting agent know what you're looking for. Are you looking to sell a house, buy a house? Let them know if the house that you look at, the one that you're at, after you've looked at it, let them know what you think about it. Do you like it? Don't like it? Give them the pros and cons so that the agent can give that feedback to the seller. That's extremely helpful. And then when you leave, say goodbye to the agent. It's okay. Just say, appreciate you being here or whatever. Just let them know you're leaving. And just remember, we're not out to pounce on you, but we're just trying to do a good job. And collecting that information on what you thought about the house is really, really helpful. So I appreciate you guys listening. If you need a good real estate agent, I like what I do. Happy to help you. My name is Barbara Guyberson. I'm with eXp Realty. And my phone number is 214-914-7733. Give me a call. Bye-bye.